प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? टुडे we will be discussing your worksheet number 25 science. First of all, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Kingdom of Education with Shri, so that I could make more and more videos for you. Now we will be discussing your worksheet. Let's start. This is about life processes, as you can see, and the topic is respiration in plants and animals. Main the topic is respiration. Here aerobic respiration pathway depends on oxygen. जो इसका pathway है किस पर depend करता है? Oxygen पर, because it's aerobic in nature and aerobic organisms need to ensure that there is sufficient intake of oxygen. उन्हें ऑक्सीजन पूरी क्वालिटी में लेनी होती है. All green plants breathe through this process of cellular respiration. जितने भी green plants हैं वो cellular respiration के through respiration या सांस लेते हैं. Respiration in plants. Diffusion is the method by which exchange of gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen, takes place through stomata, and the large intercellular spaces ensure that all the cells are in direct contact with air. जो प्रोसेस है जिसकी वजह से जहाँ एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डिफ्यूजन, जो कहाँ होता है? स्टोमेटा के अंदर, एंड उनके अंदर जो बहुत बड़ा बड़ा स्पेस है इंटरसेलुलर, यानी कि सेल के अंदर. इंटर मतलब अंदर, सेल के अंदर स्पेस जो है वो इंश्योर करता है कि जितने भी सेल्स हैं दे आर इन डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट विद एयर. वो कैसे कॉन्टैक्ट में होंगे? स्टोमेटा के थ्रू. The stomata in leaf and lenticels in heart and woody stems are the respiratory organs. Exactly, the respiratory organ of your plants are like stomata. Okay, now we can see the respiration in plants here. All plants of the plant respire. जितने भी parts होते हैं plants के, roots, stem, leaves, they all respire. They undergo respiration process, but the main respiratory organ of the plant is leaf. That is leaf, and the respiratory organ in your leaf itself, specific organ, is your stomata, which accomplish respiration. Gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide enters through leaf through stomata. Look, this is the stomata. It's like stomata closed, and the wide opening in between is called as stomata open. You can see in the diagram, here the stomata is closed and here it is having a pore in it which leads to its opening. Here the red colored dot is your nucleus. They both have the guard cells. They are two in number. They both have guard cells. The central part is your vacuole, because it is large because it is present in plants, animals, plant cells. In plant cells, the vacuole is very large, and these are the chloroplast, and this is the last one, cell wall, the outer covering of any plant cell. During daytime, photosynthesis and respiration takes place simultaneously. However, photosynthesis is the more vigorous of the two processes due to the presence of sun, obviously. When the sun is there, the photosynthesis process will be more than that of your respiration. During the daytime, photosynthesis takes place in leaf. Where it occurs? In leaf. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is taken in. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो हवा से होती है उसको कहाँ लिया जाता है? अंदर लिया जाता है थ्रू स्टोमेटा, एंड the oxygen diffuses out of the leaf through stomata. तो ऑक्सीजन हमें बाहर निकल के जाती है through stomata. Now during the night, photosynthesis does not take place because there is absence of sun, so it won't take place at night. Here, oxygen diffuses through the stomata into the leaf, and carbon dioxide as water vapors are given out. So these are the both reverse process in day and night. In day, carbon dioxide is entering into the plants and giving out oxygen, but at night time, oxygen is entering into the plants and carbon dioxide and water vapors are given out. So we can say that plants are more likely like human beings at night. Okay. Now we can see all this process how it occurs. You can see it here. This is the cross section of your leaf which is being zoomed. Look at the this portion. This is called stomata, and this is the cuticle in which there is stomata. These red balls are your oxygen which is present in the leaf itself. Now these all are water molecules. Water molecules causes the closing of stomata. The stomata is guarded by guard cells. These are the guard cells. Okay. These water molecules make it open, and now the photosynthesis takes place. Carbon dioxide is coming in, and look, the purple molecules of carbon dioxide are placed in the leaf. These are consumed and converted into oxygen, and now oxygen and water molecules are coming outside, and this is the whole process of respiration, and now the stomata again get closed. So this is the whole process. Okay, now we will see further what is written here. Terrestrial organisms breathe while using atmospheric oxygen. Obviously, the terrestrial organisms like us, we use atmospheric oxygen, the oxygen present in atmosphere only, whereas in aquatic organisms, that is the organism which live under water, take oxygen dissolved in water. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब कुछ मछलियाँ होती हैं वो कहाँ से ऑक्सीजन लेती हैं? पानी में जो ऑक्सीजन डिजॉल्व होती है वहां से. ऑक्सीजन लेवल इज हाई इन एटमॉस्फेयर व्हेन इट इज कंपेयर टू ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर. ऑब्वियसली वायुमंडल में ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा ज्यादा है पानी से ज्यादा. हेंस इसी वजह से टेरेस्ट्रियल ऑर्गेनिज्म नीड नॉट ब्रीथ फास्ट टू ऑब्टेन ऑक्सीजन. इसीलिए हमें इतनी तेज सांस नहीं लेनी पड़ती, लेकिन aquatic organisms need to breathe faster to get required oxygen. Now, respiration in fish. The respiratory organ in fish is gills. You can see here the gills. Okay, the fish is having gills. These gills are connected with blood vessels for exchange of gases. These gills help the aquatic species to utilize the oxygen dissolved in water. हमारे इंसानों में जैसे नाक होती है, ऐसे ही उनके अंदर क्या होते हैं, गिल्स होते हैं. ये गिल्स एग्जैक्टली पानी में जितनी भी ऑक्सीजन डिजॉल्व होती है उसको यूटिलाइज करने में हेल्प करते हैं. द गिल्स कंटिन्यूसली कीप ऑन मूविंग, वो लगातार गिलते रहते हैं, एंड टेक्स द वाटर थ्रू इट्स माउथ, मुंह से पानी लेते हैं, एंड फोर्सेस इट थ्रू द गिल्स, उसको गिल की तरफ फोर्स करते हैं ताकि वो गिल से निकले, और जहां पर क्या होगा, एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. एज वाटर पासेस थ्रू दिस थिन वॉल्स ऑफ गिल्स, द डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन डिजॉल्व हुई है ब्लड वेसल्स के अंदर मूव कर जाएगी, एंड ट्रेवल्स इनटू डिफरेंट सेल्स एंड टिश्यूज ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ द फिश, और वहां से डिफरेंट सेल्स के पास पहुंच जाएगी. बट द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड देयर ओनली produced during respiration is brought back by the blood into the gills for expelling it into the surrounding water. और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर वापस आ जाती है गिल्स के पास ताकि वो उसे बाहर एक्सपेल कर सके. So this is how aquatic organisms respire. Now we will see how it happens. We will say in fishes, their water is coming inside the mouth and it is forced to push into gills. वो गिल से पास होने के लिए माउथ, this is mouth and these are gills. इस गिल से निकल रहा है. We can see the oxygen blue and red oxygen is coming in and carbon dioxide is coming out. Fish, tadpole, prawn, oyster, these all are aquatic organisms that breathe through gills. Okay, so this is how aquatic organisms breathe through their gills. Now the characteristics of respiratory surface. Respiratory surface के characteristics क्या होने चाहिए? It must be thin so as to allow better exchange of gases. It must be permeable to respiratory gases. तो respiratory gases के permeable यानी कि उसके अंदर जानी भी चाहिए, exchange होना भी चाहिए, मतलब उसमें से पास होनी चाहिए exactly the gases. It must be moist either with water or mucus. वो moist होनी चाहिए, थोड़ी सी उसमें नमी होनी चाहिए, चाहे पानी से चाहे म्यूकस से. It should have large surface area. उसका surface area ज़्यादा होना चाहिए ताकि so as to provide rapid exchange of gases, ताकि जल्दी से जल्दी exchange of gases हो. Then it must be in direct or indirect contact with source of oxygen. वो या तो direct contact में हो या फिर indirect contact में हो source of oxygen से. Okay, this is tomato clear होता. Now coming up to our next part. If these are question answers, name the respiratory organ of the plant and draw the diagram of the part of the plant which helps in exchange of gases. Now we can say that your stomata in the leaves is the respiratory organ in the plant. We will write it here like stomata in leaves are the respiratory organ of the plant. We can draw the diagram of here. We can draw these two diagrams, stomata open and stomata closed. Okay. So, now, how do plants breathe? This is how plants breathe through diffusion process. We have read it. Okay, the diffusion is the method by which exchange of gases takes place. So, stomata. We can write all this part in your answer number 2. Okay. Now, how do plants breathe at night only? Only the description of night is you have to give. Okay. Now you can write during the night photosynthesis does not take place. You can reduce the matter to believe carbon dioxide and water are given out. So this is your answer number 3. Now how does a fish breathe? You can write it from here. You can write the whole part respiration in fish. This is your answer number 4. You can write whole. You can draw this diagram also. Okay. Now your last question, what are the 3 characteristics of respiratory surface? So this is very important and easy question. Answer number 5. All the characteristics, thin, permeability, moist, large surface area or direct or indirect contact. These 5 are the characteristics of your respiratory surface. So this was your worksheet number 25. Another worksheet will come. Again we will discuss. Till then, stay happy, keep smiling and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.